Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're doing the first test with this Breville 970 XL espresso machine. The customer reports low steam pressure and also that the pressure gauge isn't consistently showing pressure when the shot is pouring. So let's go ahead and make a shot. Press the double shot button. So I noticed that the shot pressure is in the mid-range. The crema is okay, but the test coffee we're using is a little bit old. But it seemed to be functioning decent, or normally for this machine. And I noticed that the grind is pretty fine, so the grinder seems to be working well. You know, you could go a little bit finer if you had a better grinder, but I think this grinder is set at its finest setting, and I think it's really not going to go even finer on a brand new Breville machine. So then let's go ahead and test the steam. I did notice there was a small clog in the steam, and I just took it apart and put a pick in it and blew some air through it to clear the clog. Yeah, so the steam is nice and strong. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.